pour some milk right now. Bam. As I do. Bam. This is insane. Amazing results. Hello and welcome back to the Parents English channel, where I show how you as a parent can teach your kids English by doing exciting things. Like today we're gonna do an experiment which is called Milky Way. And as always, please don't forget to grab this free printable in the description to this video, because it explains basically what you need to do in order to do the experiment, and it has got some questions here that your kids can answer after having done the experiment. So let's get started. What do we need? We need food coloring. We've got food coloring here, yellow color, blue color, red color and the green color. Next, we need some milk. We've got a bottle of milk. Here it is. By the way, it's white. Then we need a Q-tip. We've got a Q-tip right here. We need a plate. Here is the plate. We need some dish soap. Here is our dish soap. And of course, we need great mood. Without it, we can't do the experiment. So make sure that you've got great mood, as I do right now. Okay, let's take a look at the process. What do we need? We need to pour milk into the plate. Let's do it. Let's open the bottle of milk first. So let's pour some milk into the plate. Okay, let's close the bottle. Then we need to squeeze 2 drops of each food coloring into the plate with the milk. Let's do it. Green first. Let's put it randomly here and here. Let's take the red color here and here. Let's take the blue color, squeeze it, and the yellow color. Bam, bam, bam here. So let's take a Q-tip and let's dip it. So here's the center of the plate. Let's find out what happens. Whoa, whoa, just look at this. Whoa. And of course you can experiment by putting more drops. For example, I put 3 drops here, here, and yellow color. And of course we do the same thing. We dip the Q-tip in the dish soap and let's see what is happening. So all sorts of different things can happen. Oh look, wow. Isn't it amazing? Look, we've got lots of yellowish. You get amazing results. This is insane. After you have finished the experiment, ask your child to reflect on what has happened. And these questions will help you to do so. And also ask your child to tell you what he or she found interesting, found exciting about the experiment. Also, you as a parent, you're also encouraged to share your own opinion with the child and discuss the experiment together, using of course the newly learned English words. By the way, the new words that we've learned today are here. I hope you found this video useful and helpful and interesting. By the way, if you want to learn new English words in experiment and game format, just click on the next video here and I'll see you there. Take care, bye bye.